Welcome back to the garden. So, oh, this one broke off. So it had rained like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, and so I just didn't bother watering, and I haven't watered since. And so some things have dried up a little bit, but my husband just watered this morning, I think, and these tomatoes here have gotten a little bit bigger. Like some new ones are growing, and I've heard before that, you know, tomatoes, if you water them too much, then you're gonna get you're not gonna get as much fruit. So yeah, these ones look a lot bigger than usual. And then up here on this plant, we've got some bigger ones. None of them have ever. What's going on there? There you go. On this plant, we haven't had any big ones. Nothing this big before. They've all been like pea size or so. Maybe not pea size, but yeah, so that's interesting. Watering them less and let them get bigger. Lots of this dry stuff. Anyway, I don't think I have any tomatoes in here that are ready. Some big green ones. And then any little squashes. I think I have one back there that kind of shriveling up on the bottom. Yuck. Well, since this one fell off, I'm going to pick it. Yeah, then I got all these tomatoes here just a minute ago. So I thought I'd show you how I got all these. So this plant, you know, has been growing through this cage here, but I realized, oh, I can just like poke my hand through this opening and get them all. So just picked a bunch. And so there's hope for the rest of these. Kind of silly, but whatever. And then these two were ones that were ripe a while ago. This pretty plant. I'm gonna move it over here. Now it's focusing. So yeah, that's the garden today. I think most of these squash plants are just ready to go. In my next video, I'm probably going to be planting for in the greenhouse. Stick that in here. And it just lost all those. Great. These are my favorite ones. All the tomato skins are actually getting really hard now that the weather's cooling off, and that doesn't taste very good. Little tiny one. I think I'll still bring these inside and see if they redden up, because they're still attached to their little vine here. So back here is my little mint plant, and I knew it was going to come back to the light. I knew it was going to come back to life. Looks so pretty. All the little ones coming off. So cute. Oh, that smells so good. I guess that's the mint too. Yeah, so pretty. Tomato plant over here, just because it's always been in that corner over there. Not getting much love, but It took a long time for it to grow and kind of prove itself, but I really like it. I like its little leaves. Everything's really bushy. Yeah, I'm kind of wondering if it can survive the winter in the greenhouse. So if you guys know anything about tomatoes and whether they survive in the winter in a greenhouse, let me know. That's probably good enough for now. I wanted to show you guys my pomegranate tree that's out here. Very small. Yeah, not very big at all. But we went to a Bonsai tree club meeting last Saturday morning, and I don't know if we'll ever go again, but definitely got us very interested in bonsai. My husband has been interested in it for a while, and so he was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I was looking at this one thinking, hey, that's small, I could do a bonsai pomegranate bush tree thing. So yeah, probably be posting videos on that and videos on my husband's bonsai trees. This morning he dug up a little pine tree, was messing with it and replanted it. So he's gonna have a bonsai pine. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below, give me some suggestions on greenhouse planting, container gardening, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, bye.